My confession. Before I started creating content, I was using the AI in a wrong way. I thought it was just answering questions, getting information, go to AI, ask AI. But after 5 good weeks of creating content, I realized something powerful. AI is not just a tool, it's a skill multiplier. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Catherine, a nurse practitioner, the creator of University of YouTube, and welcome back to the University of YouTube. On today's episode, in this series, I'm sharing what I am learning through content creation, and today I want to talk about something that completely changed how I think about multiple AI tools, including tools like ChatGPT. Before versus after. Before I started creating content, I used AI just get answers to questions, get information, to do what I need. And that was not what AI is all about. It wasn't just that. I didn't know it could do more. I have learned a lot what the AI can do. But once I started creating content, videos, I began to explore deeper. And that's when everything changed. Discovery AI is a powerful tool. I started learning about AI, how advanced the technology has become, how fast it's analyzing and evolving information, and how it's improving creativity in ways we did not imagine before. AI is not replacing creativity, it's enhancing creativity. The practical use number 1, content creation. I learned how to turn simple ideas into powerful content. Even everyday moments, I could turn them into something meaningful, something educative, something that teaches, something that inspires, something that keeps people engaged. That's one powerful tool of AI. Practical use number 2 are the businesses and finance. I learned how to use AI to guide my personal finance and stock businesses. As you follow the new enhancements while you're on YouTube creating content, you see how each AI are enhancing. AI version keep coming. AI new version, when you see the movement on your stock market before creating content, when I see how the stock market is changing on my stocks on AI, I wasn't sure what is going on. But now that I'm creating content, see how whenever they bring each new AI, how the stock goes up. Whenever they enhance AI, how the stock goes up. That opened my wide mind. I now understand what is trending, which technology are growing, where to increase stock investment, and where all the opportunities are. This is what I'm learning from University of YouTube. And this opened my mind towards thinking bigger. Practical use number 3, healthcare and education. As a healthcare provider, I have learned how to use AI to generate patient education material, chart simplified explanation, visual teaching tools, making it easier for people to engage and understand and participate in their own health. These are the tools I have just learned by starting to create content. Big realization. There are multiple AI tools. I realized something else. There are not just one AI, but multiple AI tools. And they are constantly updating, constantly evolving, constantly, shaping the future. AI is not just one AI. All of these I discovered because I started creating content on YouTube. YouTube didn't just give me a platform, it opened my mind to a world of unlimited possibilities. If I can do it, if I can do it, you can too. You don't need to know everything to start. You just need to begin. So my question to you is, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Again, what are you waiting for? Comment, I am starting today below. Comment below, I am starting today. And don't forget to subscribe because this journey is just getting started. Thank you.